In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify store unavailable. If you're seeing that message, it usually means your plan needs attention or your billing method isn't set up, and the quickest fix is right inside your Shopify admin. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and why, so you can get your storefront back online as fast as possible. First, log into your Shopify admin. You'll want to be signed in with an account that has permission to manage billing and plans, ideally the store owner. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner of the admin and open Settings. This is the control center for everything behind the scenes. Inside Settings, go to Plan. This page shows your current subscription status. If your free trial ended, your plan expired, or the store was paused, you'll typically see a notice here. Don't worry, this is where you fix it. Click Choose Plan. You'll be prompted to pick the plan that fits your needs. If you're not sure yet, select the option you're comfortable with. You can upgrade later as your store grows. Keep an eye on the billing interval. Monthly gives you flexibility, while annual plans may offer savings. After choosing your plan, head to Billing from the same settings area. This page is where Shopify manages charges for subscriptions, apps, and other fees. If your store has been marked unavailable because of billing, it's usually because there's no valid payment method on file or a recent charge failed. Click Add Payment Method. Enter your details carefully, making sure your billing address, postal code, and currency match what your bank expects. Small mismatches can cause declines, so it's worth double-checking. If you're using a business card, confirm that online and international transactions are allowed. When you're done, save the payment method. That's it. With a plan selected and a valid payment method added, Shopify will process your subscription and clear the store unavailable status. Give it a moment, then refresh your storefront to confirm it's live. If it doesn't switch right away, wait a minute or two and refresh again. Sometimes it takes a moment for changes to propagate. A quick recap. Open your Shopify admin, go to Settings, then Plan, choose your plan, go to Billing, and add a payment method. Those clicks resolve the most common reasons a store goes offline. If you don't see the plan or billing options, you may not have the right permissions. Ask the store owner to complete these steps. Follow along exactly as shown, and you'll be back in business. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your store up and running smoothly.